Hi Stampers, it's Meg from Loven Stamps, and my friend Marnie challenged me to come up with a new project featuring the Everything is Rosy bundle. There you have it, all these fun things included. After she saw my video on my Facebook Live about making bookmarks and how quick and easy they are with this fun Everything is Rosy product medley. Right now there's only a couple days left to get this by May 31st, so you're going to want to act quickly, but I'm going to use my cardstock, Melon Mambo, Night of Navy, Whisper White, my ink pads, and then the things that are included in the Everything is Rosy bundle. So a whole bunch of gorgeous designer series papers, ribbon, shimmer paint, framelits, stamps, fun embellishments, and I am going to create a project that is similar to these kind of fun frames that I've done recently. You can find these projects and video tutorials for them all actually on my website at lovenstamps.com. But I love doing these kind of fun collage-y frames. So there's one I'm using Bubble Over. You're going to want to look at the retiring list if you don't have Bubble Over yet. And then this really pretty one with a bird set too that's also, I think, retiring. So don't wait too long to get those. But basically, I am going to do some speed stamping here, and I have no idea what I'm going to make. So here is how my design process works. So have a fun time watching.